benefits in every swish. I wonder if they're friends.
What?
Like, does 24-hour cavity protection hang out with repairs enamel, or you think it's more of a work thing?
For a healthier mouth, wash your mouth with Listerine.
Taxes was feeling unwelcome. Now Taxes is an open door to new TurboTax stores. Meet our experts. They do your taxes, so you can walk out with confidence. Intuit TurboTax. Don't wait.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Champaign County in east central Illinois until 9:45 a.m. At 9 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 20 miles west of Champaign, or 12 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Champaign and Urbana. Hazard: 90 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Boneville, Monticello, Philo, Savoy, Urbana, Mahomet, Willard Airport, Champaign, Galesville, Lodge, Seymour, Whiteheath, Colono, and Lake of the Woods. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.
All that plus Olivia is back. Could Wiley and Clooney team up again?
Why doesn't George ever